The other thing about reviews, if you do any marketing, I would say of reviews, that piece of marketing is the longest lasting that you will do. The work that you do to manage and create positive reviews for your business, that review, positive or negative, is going to stick with your business and appear next to the business name, address, and phone number for years and years to come. So there are reviews potentially, on your laundromat or on your business that may have been on there since 2015, and it's still there today. So you can't get rid of them. You can get more to hide the bad reviews and suppress them, and people see the most recent experiences, and more recent reviews are very, very important. You can't just rely on positive reviews from a year ago or 2 years ago, but the reality is those reviews stay there forever. So if you're also wondering, when we were talking about visibility earlier, like, well, how do I show up higher? If somebody were to type in laundromat near me, or they're searching for wash and fold, or wash and dry, or dry pickup and delivery, how can I help my business show up higher? Well, there's a lot of factors that go into it. If you're struggling with visibility, one of the biggest things that I've seen with businesses who struggle with visibility, when they get a lot of reviews, it's one of the things that ranks a business higher. It's not the only thing. It is one of the things, though. Businesses with more positive reviews generally display closer to the top of the search engines when a customer is looking a categorical search for your business. So there's also reviews on Yelp, and I have to smile whenever I give a presentation on Yelp, because usually there's someone that says, I don't like Yelp for whatever reason, and it is very crucial in today's age to be on Yelp. There are many, many Yelp users. I mean, the last I looked, it was like there's 26,000 Yelp reviews left every minute. That number has probably gone up since I last looked at that stat. But Yelp is influential because there are a lot of Yelpers out there. There are a lot of consumers that go directly to Yelp to search a business or look at do a categorical search. And Yelp used to simply be mostly for storefronts that are like restaurant related. It's really now for any type of business. Yelp has become a pretty influential search site. And the reviews for Yelp are very influential to those users. They do also show up other places. And then talking about reviews on Facebook. So Facebook reviews, other than second to Google, there are a lot of users that go to Facebook to leave a review. And that's another way that consumers will search for you. Or they'll just be recommended and they're going to see more information about your business. It's really crucial to monitor your reviews on Facebook as well. So I love being in my work, I get to work with entrepreneurs and people who work really, really hard. I appreciate that. There was a quote by Abe Lincoln: good things come to those who wait, but only good things left by those who hustle. And so when we talk about reputation management, you might think, well, maybe eventually I'll get into that. Like, I'll kind of see how that pans out. Like, it seems like it may be a fad, or maybe I'll wait some time before I get into that. Like, this is not a time to wait to manage your reputation. You look at those who are in the time of their life where they're probably using your services. Reviews are only getting more and more popular. They're not getting less and less popular. It is really crucial as a business to manage reputation now more than ever, because the demographics of the people that you're catering to and you're wanting to attract, they only know reviews. So it's really, really crucial in this day and age to be proactive on this and not be the one left behind.